Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Courtney-Ann and today we're gonna go out of town a bit. So welcome to Clarendon, where we have this lovely 2-acre property, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, fully solar house for sale, listed at $400,000 US. This promises to be an interesting tour. In fact, this is the first home featured on the channel that is actually 100% solar powered. Let's get into the tour. So starting on the ground level, we're going to be walking into the existing living space. Now please note, I want you guys to focus on the size of the rooms, as this property does not come furnished. How the owner has it set up right now, you can actually use this as a rental property. Here is the back balcony connected to the living room, where you can use for chilling, and you can keep it meshed so that you don't have to deal with any pests or mosquitoes. That's perfect in this type of Caribbean climate that we have. And at the back of the living room, or rather the front, seeing that this is the front of the house, we have kitchen number 1. Yes, I said kitchen number 1. Now, if I were to go through this kitchen on my right, which is currently behind me as I'm holding the camera, it would bring me to the front veranda. Now follow me, guys, because you may get lost in this house. Going through the front veranda, there are 2 doors. We're going to head down to the second door on the veranda, where you can use this as an income earning space, as it is self-contained. There is a 1-bedroom space with a kitchenette, bathroom, and also, if you want to give your tenant a piece of the veranda, feel free to do so. As I said, this property has tons of potential. So let us step inside and see what it looks like. Alright, so let's head back inside. Coming back through the kitchen, we are going to go upstairs, where we're gonna see where that first door on the veranda is connected to. In other words, there is a door leading from the stairs to the veranda, where you can enter from the veranda or you can enter from the kitchen. Now heading upstairs, we have quite a few bedrooms. One is currently used as a den. Another thing I really liked about this house is that there's a basement space at the bottom, which for me personally, I would have that as an underground den or speakeasy. I think that would be a really cool touch. I have attached an example here on the video, and then if I go up one more level, it's gonna bring me to where the additional bedrooms are. Now we're gonna head into number 1, where I have some cool facts about this bedroom that I learned along the way. Did you know that the bed you're looking at, and the closet and the chest of drawer, was made with wood from the property? I know, pretty cool, right? Now, although you're not getting the bed with the sale, the closet is gonna be such a unique feature, because it's very rare that you find properties where the wood comes from that property. Here you can see how the owner made sure it was intricately designed, so you can maybe do something similar if you get the property, or maybe if you want to make an offer and put in a request to keep the bed and the chest of drawers set, so that everything matches. This bedroom has an ensuite bathroom where it has a jacuzzi tub. Very luxurious, very comfy, very cozy. And then stepping back outside of that bedroom, we have a door here, which I'll show you a bit later what's behind that door. But before, let's view the second bedroom that's also upstairs. Now, this bedroom is to the left side of the house, where again, it's very spacious. One thing about rural homes. It's super spacious just because there's so much land space. Not to mention the cool temperatures. This entire time during the video, I did not shed a drop of sweat, which we know if we were in Kingston, it would be a different story. It also has an ensuite bathroom as well, so that's perfect. So, if you want to do some remodeling, that's fine, but just the structure, the layout of the house is superb. Upstairs, there's a front balcony as well. So downstairs, we had a back balcony. Upstairs, we have a front balcony. And as you can see, this balcony is already meshed, so that's not a problem. You can chill outside without having to worry about mosquitoes. And then there's an outside front patio, I guess, that if you want to take it a bit further, you can go outside. All right, so we're going to wrap up the front balcony now, and then we're going to head back inside where I'm going to show you what was behind that door that we saw upstairs. Now, yes, guys, this house full of balcony. Let me say it again. The house is full of balconies. This is the back balcony to upstairs. Now, this balcony is by far my favorite, and here's why. The views are phenomenal. As you can see here where I've outlined, this is how far back your property goes, estimated, because again, the property is at least 2 acres in size. For further information on the exact shape of the parcel, feel free to visit Elon, Jamaica, where I will have the volume and folio number in the description of this video, and you can see the precise size. Downstairs, there's a laundry room where all of the magic happens. Now, solar batteries are an excellent way to store energy, and they come very handy during natural disasters. So, of course, with this property, you wouldn't have to worry about outages or any of those things. In fact, the owner has their own batteries on the property, so you don't even have to store the energy with JPS. There's another bathroom downstairs, and there's one more bedroom downstairs as well. And this bedroom brings us back to the front of the house where we started on the driveway. Whew! That was a very interesting tour. Let me know below if you have any questions. Comment below, tell me what was your favorite part of this tour. We have never ever done a video in Clarendon before. It was very interesting to say the least. I know I collected a few gifts before I departed. I'm not ashamed to say I left with my mint and my apples in true Jamaican style, and on doing so I did find this additional room space. I think it was locked when we were doing the video, but guys, it was an excellent trip for me, and I have great news for the next buyer for this property because I think they are making a great investment. Here are all of the solar panels and water heater systems to the side of the house. Here's where the current drying yard is. All of these fruit trees come with the property, guys. And then when you're leaving the property, I want to touch on the local amenities a bit. It's 15 minutes from the highway. It's right near Lennon High School in Moko, Clarendon. And outside of that, you have friendly neighbors, and the area is just a generally quiet area. That's it for my video today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.